Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for professional actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today. This is a problem for exam FM, Financial Mathematics. Victor wants to purchase a perpetuity paying $100 per year with the first payment due at the end of year 11. He can purchase it either 1. By paying $90 per year at the end of each year for 10 years, or paying K per year at the end of each year for the first 5 years and nothing for the next 5 years. Calculate K. Now notice that we actually have 3 different instruments: the perpetuity he's buying, the payments of $90 per year at the end of each year for 10 years, and payments of K per year at the end of each year for the first 5 years. And at the moment of purchase of the perpetuity, they all have equal value. 3 things have the same value at that moment. And we just need to figure out how much K is based on the fact that those have equal value. Well, we need to set a reference point that is the same for all 3 for comparing the value, but 3 things have the same value. So a unit perpetuity immediate is worth 1 over I at time 0. Thus the value at time 0 of a perpetuity paying $100 per year with the first payment due at the end of year 11 is 100 over I. That's the value of that perpetuity at time 10, which is the beginning of the year for the payment that comes at the end of that year at time 11. Time 10 is the beginning of that year. So that the value at time 0 is 100 over I times 1 plus I to the negative 10. But we don't know the interest rate. However, we have 2 other financial instruments that have the same value. I mentioned to you there are 3 altogether that have equal value. One of them is a 10-year annuity immediate of $90 per year worth 90 A angle 10 at the interest rate I, which is 90 times 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative 10 over I. So those 2 things that we just figured out are equal. 100 over I times 1 plus I to the negative 10th is equal to 90 times 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative 10th over I. You can see that I cancels out the one in the denominator, and then working only with the 1 plus I that we have there, 1 plus I to the negative 10th being our unknown, we can either get 90 over 190 to be 1 plus I to the negative 10th, or 190 over 90 to be 1 plus I to the 10th, so that I is equal to 19 over 9 to the power 1 over 10 minus 1, and that's approximately 7.7584%. This lets us calculate the value of all 3 financial instruments as 90 A angle 10 at the interest rate 7.7584%. That's a value at time 0. And that's approximately 610.54. If you use the BA2 Plus Pro, this is calculated with 10 being N, 7.7584 being I over Y. Payment is negative 90, 0 is future value, and we compute present value. And this results in present value of 610.5441743. The present value at time 0 of paying k per year at the end of each year for the first 5 years and nothing for the next 5 years is, well, just k angle 5 at the interest rate of 7.7584%. And this must be equal to the common present value of all of the other two instruments, so that k times, we get this equation here, that you see here, that k times a angle 5 must be equal to 610.54, so that 610.54 divided by angle 5 is k, and that comes out to be 151.94. And that's answer A. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from a society of actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.